Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube. What I'm showing you is the Ov8 pole. This is the actual 40 footer. Well, this is going to be set up for high pressure hose going up inside, but also quickly and easily converting over to normal window cleaning pipe and brush at the top of the pole. So what I've simply got at the bottom here is a quick release. Stainless steel, so that can be disconnected. So you've simply got there just the gun itself with a quick release on to hold on to while you're working with the system. We can then plug this in. And what we do then is thread the hose up quickly and easily through the middle to the other end. Yeah. So it's come through at this end, and what we simply do is then attach the screw fitting. Stainless steel again. We've then got the tight swivel elbow, so this then can use jets and everything else in the end of it. Push this back in place right the way down, unscrew off, screw it right the way down into the end and unlock it off. But what you'd simply do on this point here is a bit of PTFE tape and 2 spanners to be able to unscrew that. That then is in place, it's put on when you're using high pressure. Take the pipe back out. Pipe back out. We then simply have this option to attach this system here. Got it in a quick release, uncouple by pressing that in place, thread the hose right the way down the pipe, obviously thread this back through. Once it's in place, connect up, and you've then got the brush system to work as normal with the hose that's gone straight down the tube, through the middle of the tube. We're then working as a window cleaning pole. And like I say, this is the Streamline Ov8 40 foot system. It can be used both ways. Obviously the oval pole, so with no movement in the system there. Once it's tightened up, all it does is go up and down. Not like other poles in the marketplace that are round that spin and turn. So like I say, up and down, that's the only movement we've got there on the system itself. We then, when we set the trigger up, we've got brackets inside it to strengthen it and everything else to be able to take the weight and the fixings on the fixing side. On that gun there at the moment, I've simply got going into the gun. Now that is a chemical resistant gun. Stainless steel swivel. Always want a swivel. Always want a swivel on that side. Because reason being, you're the one that's fighting with it and working with it. And quick release, that's fair enough, but also have a swivel built into the gun. Quickly, easily, take off, all in bits, and the system itself is away back in the van. Have it both ways, high pressure or window cleaning with the brush on the top of it, working both ways. Thank you very much. Q services, Q washers, eBay and YouTube, Streamline Ov8.